I actually chose to analyze the Safe Sex Painting by Keith Haring. It was actually created in 1998, and acrylic was used on canvas to make this creation. This painting is of two male figures holding each other's genitals. The noted X chromosomes that are noted on their head are of reference to the male species. The emphasis of line detail around their heads or the head region would be the act of thinking, maybe before doing. These cartoon figures are outlined in white, bringing positive energy to the art. This art is consistent with Keith Haring's signature style. The colors are bold and clear. He drew on the techniques of street-based art, such as graffiti and murals. He wanted to grab the attention of the viewers. So with his murals, he got the public to enjoy them and also teach them and educate them about important concerns and issues that were important to him. The black backdrop, which is noted in the painting, enables the focal point of the two figures to be more visible and to stand out to the viewer. Throughout his artwork, Keith Haring was an advocate for AIDS and HIV. He expressed the importance of practicing safe sex. This painting basically states that we as individuals can engage in a good time, but be mindful of practicing safe measures of protecting ourselves and others when exploring our sexuality. And as a gay man, he wanted to educate the public to the risks that were involved having unprotected sex. This piece of art is controversial, but yet brings a strong message to the risk of having sex without protection. This act can lead to many diseases and even death.